covers a distance of 10 kilometers. So S, 10 kilometers. And at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. And then it reduces, the speed reduces to 30 kilometers per hour. 30 kilometers per hour. What is the deceleration of the car? And what is the time of this deceleration? That's the question. What is the deceleration of the car? So to work this, I can change everything to meter. This is 10,000 meters. This 60 kilometers per hour is, I want to change it. I have 60,000 meters. 60 times 60. So 60,000 meters per second. 60,000. That's I change the hour here to seconds. 60 times 60 seconds. If I do that, I have that it will be 16.67 meters per second. 16.67 meters per second. 16 times 6. That's this 60 kilometers per hour has reduced to 16.67 meters per second. So 30 kilometers per hour. To change that, I have 30,000 meters. 60 times 60, because 60 minutes is 1 hour, 60 seconds is 1 minute. So if I also change that, I have 8.33 meters per second. 8.33 meters per second. So I've changed. So now I've changed everything to the unit I would like to work with. Now to now get the deceleration, I can use the third equation. V squared equal to U squared plus, in this case minus, because it is deceleration, 2as. So I have V squared, that is the last velocity, which is 8.33 squared, is equal to the previous velocity is 16.67 squared minus 2a. A is what I'm looking for, and the distance is 10,000 meters. So if I solve this equation, I will get the deceleration. If I solve that equation, I get the deceleration, and which is I make A the subject of the formula. A, if I do that, A is equal to 0.021 meters per second squared. That is the deceleration. If I solve this equation, making A the subject of the formula. So if I've done that, now for me to get the time, because the question says get the deceleration and get the time of deceleration, I can use the first equation. V is equal to U plus AT. That's the first equation. I have V, the 8.33 is equal to 16.67. That's initial velocity, plus A in this case is 0.0, minus A 0.021 times time. So here, if I solve this equation as well, I make T the subject. I make T the subject formula. If I make T the subject, I have 397.14 seconds. 397.14 seconds. That is the time. So I've been able to get. So the question says a vehicle covers a distance of 10 kilometers at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and then 30 kilometers per hour. A vehicle covers a distance of 10 kilometers at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and 30 kilometers per hour. What is the deceleration of the car and its time of deceleration? That's the question. here I've been able to get the deceleration of the car, and which I got to be 0.021 meters per second square, and the time was 397.14 seconds. Which, if I care, I can change it to hour, minutes, and hours. I can change it to 6.262 minutes. 6.62 minutes, which is 0.11 hours, which is 0.11 hours. Anyone now one. So that's the solution to that question. Question that says a vehicle covers a distance of 10 kilometers at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and then 30 kilometers per hour. That's it. Moved from 60 kilometers per hour and reduced speed to 30 kilometers per hour. What is the deceleration? He decelerated of the car, and what time did he use to do this deceleration? That's the question, and that has been solved. Thank you very much.